It's time for our first take-home test, and what I've decided to do is to give you a take-home test that only has 3 problems in it. But each of those problems are going to involve you collecting some data, collecting some numbers of your own, and then creating hypothesis tests or creating confidence intervals with that data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create videos for each problem to kind of give you a little bit of a glimpse of what I'm thinking about for your data collection. And then you'll also have the test that has the problems attached to it that you'll fill out and complete. When you're finished with it, if you've got some way to scan it and put it on Moodle, that's great. Otherwise, you can take a picture like you are with the rest of your homework. But make sure that your picture is really crisp and really clear, because I'm going to need to be able to read everything and grade everything in detail. When we do these problems, I'm going to want you to show all of your work. So I'm going to want to see the formulas you're using, how the numbers are going into the formulas, and how you're creating them. Of course, sometimes we're going to have to use our calculators, and when you use your calculator, I want you to be clear what buttons you're pushing on your calculator and how you're making that work. But I don't want you to just say, I pushed the z-test button and got my answer, right? I want to see how does the z-test work? How did you find your p-value? How did you find your test statistic? What are your hypotheses and all these things? So in just a minute, I'm going to tell you, down below, you're going to see descriptions for each of the problems, and hopefully it's real clear. And if it's not clear, don't hesitate to send me an email or come by study hall hours, and I'll try to clarify things for you. All right, so good luck. I hope that everyone does exceptionally well, and that these tests really boost everyone's average. So let's get to it.